right, I need to pause just for a moment here and share. Kelly, don't kill me, but you just sent a note to the whole All Things Considered team saying that when you sank down into the host chair today, you hiccup cried.
Yes, it's my last official day on All Things Considered. It's not my last official day at NPR. I'm going to stay with the network, going to be reporting more for my podcast. Embedded, lots of good stuff to come. You will hear it on the show, but it is still
we wish you luck
the
and joy. Can't wait to hear it.
Thanks so much, and a big thanks to all the producers and editors on this wonderful show. You guys are everything. This is All Things Considered.
Support for NPR comes from this station and from Vital Projects Fund, supporting the Museum of Modern Art in Manhattan, where the exhibition Tarsila do Amaral, Inventing Modern Art in Brazil, opens February 11th. More info at MoMA.org. From the Herbert Simon Family Foundation, supporting NPR and member station WFYI in Indianapolis, working together to cover stories and issues that inform listeners in Indiana and beyond by providing critical information about the factors influencing education. And from Home Advisor, an online service used by more than 30 million homeowners to find home improvement professionals, from plumbers to remodelers, matching each homeowner with pre-screened professionals in their area. More at homeadvisor.com.
It's just about 6 o'clock. Good evening. I'm Janae Pierre, and this is New Orleans Public Radio, 89.9 WWNO New Orleans and 90.5 KTLN Thibodeau Houma, serving Southeast Louisiana from the University of New Orleans. Support for WWNO comes from the New Orleans Ballet Association, presenting Les Ballets de Monte Carlo in the full evening Romeo and Juliet at the Mahalia Jackson Theater for one night only on February 24th. Ticket information available at nobadance.com. And from Orange Theory Fitness, with locations in New Orleans, Mandeville, and Baton Rouge, Orange Theory Fitness is dedicated to delivering fitness results for a healthier world. More information at orangetheoryfitness.com. And from Siberia Lounge, a venue on St. Claude Corridor in Fort Marion, featuring Slavic-inspired food, weekend brunch, and live Balkan music Thursdays. Full music calendar and menu at siberialounge.com. And it's a pretty fair evening across the Crescent City. It's currently 64 degrees here at the lakefront. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a low around 53 and south wind of around 5 miles per hour. And your forecast for Thursday calls for a slight chance of showers. It'll be mostly cloudy with a high near 65. Just ahead this hour, some oil companies are increasing production in Texas's Permian Basin. We'll look at how much leverage this gives the U.S. in asserting influence in the global oil market. That story is next on Marketplace, but first, here's news.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Jack Spear. President Donald Trump met today with representatives from more than half a dozen companies that have given bonuses or pay raises to employees. NPR's Scott Horsley reports it's part of a White House effort to spotlight companies that are sharing savings from the GOP tax cut with their workers.
Some companies like Bank of America and Walmart are passing on only a modest fraction of their tax savings to employees, but the White House has been highlighting their stories in hopes of building public support. John Anfinson was among those meeting with the president. Each of the 7 employees in his Iowa farm store got a $1,000 bonus and a 5% bump in pay.
I felt like somebody, a kid that just got the new keys to the car. Well, we got to do something for us, make the best of it and go ahead.
Anfinson is also buying a new $360,000 John Deere sprayer and $25,000 fertilizer tanks. Under the new law, he'll enjoy accelerated tax savings for those investments. Scott Horsley, NPR News, Washington.
South Carolina Congressman Trey Gowdy is the latest member of the GOP to announce he isn't seeking re-election ahead of the upcoming midterms. Gowdy built his name in Congress by leading the investigation into the 2012 attacks against Americans in Benghazi, Libya. Former prosecutor, Gowdy is chair of the House Oversight and Government Reform Committee. The 53-year-old Gowdy says he's leaving politics to return to work in the justice system. There are a record total of 34 GOP retirements in this midterm cycle.